To mass produce these biologic medicines, the molecular machinery inside living cells is utilized. The process starts with the insertion of genetic material into Chinese hamster ovarian cells. They're known as CHO cells. They're kept frozen in liquid nitrogen until the next step. In the seed lab, the cells are thawed in warm water. They're then transferred to a glass flask that contains growth media. The growth media contains hundreds of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals, a recipe to help the cells multiply. The flask is then moved to the production side of the facility. The mixture is then injected into a 20-litre capacity bioreactor. Inside, a blade agitates the mixture to stimulate growth. Over a 3-week period, the number of cells increases exponentially. Each new cell is programmed to produce the target biologic protein. Next, this 80-litre capacity bioreactor is sterilized in preparation of receiving the cell mixture. Under precisely controlled conditions in the bioreactor, the cells multiply substantially. Over several weeks, the cells are transferred to progressively larger bioreactors. The cells grow until there are trillions, each producing the target protein. Next, the recipe for purifying the protein liquid, once it's been separated from the cells, is prepared. Amongst the dry ingredients is salt. The bag is labelled and the information recorded separately as required by government regulations. The ingredients are then added to purified water in a mixing tank. An automated system keeps tabs on the condition of the purification solution. After separating cellular material from the protein mixture, it's pumped through steel and glass columns. Here, the purification solution works with resin beads to separate the protein from the impurities. The purified protein is stored in steel tanks at -20 degrees Celsius, which keeps the biologic medicine in a stable state. Meanwhile, in the quality control lab, a sample is injected into glass capsules. The capsules are then placed into an automatic analytical instrument. This sophisticated equipment measures the potency and purity of the biologic medicine. Once the biologic medicine passes the tests, glass vials are prepared to receive it, which means an intensive cleaning. An automated system loads the vials into individual slots, and sprayers rinse them. The system then transports the vials through a heat tunnel that sterilizes them to remove any potentially harmful toxins. Moving through an isolated sterile zone, the vials funnel into a fill station. Nozzles dispense a specific dose of biologic medicine into the vials. Next, plungers insert stoppers. A camera takes a picture and a computer instantly analyzes it to confirm that the stoppers have been correctly fitted. The system then caps the stoppers to completely seal them from contaminants. This machinery hygienically fills and caps over 100 vials per minute. Each vial is then visually inspected. The contents are carefully swirled to check for any impurities. If any are seen, the vial of medicine will be rejected. Finally, a sample is taken to conduct a test to ensure that the medicine is sterile. Grown in living cells, these biologic medicines are now on their way to potentially making a difference to people's lives.